In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Clockify. So if you want to organize your tasks and track time more efficiently, creating a project in Clockify is the way to go. So here's how to do it step by step. Let's get started. So first, open Clockify on your browser or desktop app and log into your account. Now once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Projects under Manage. So this will take you to the projects page where you can see all your existing projects. Now click the Create New Project button, usually located at the top or at the center of the screen. Once you click that, a new window will pop up. So here's where you can enter your project details. So enter your project name, type the name of your project. Now here you'll see select client, so assign a client if needed. And next, choose a color to easily identify your project. So click on the drop down arrow and choose your preferred color. For example, purple, just click on it. And next, set whether it's public or private. So just check the box right here to make it public. If not, just uncheck it. So just like that. And next, choose your template. Click the drop down arrow and search for the template and click on create. And that's it, your new project is now created. Now, after creating the project, go back to the Time Tracker tab. So click on Time Tracker right here. Click on the project field. Select your newly created project. So this one. Then press Start to begin. Click on the Start button. And as you can see, it's now starting. The timer is now starting. So use clear project names to stay organized, assign clients if you're working with multiple people, and create multiple projects for different tasks or workflows. And that's it. You've successfully created a new project in Clockify and are ready to track your time more efficiently. Thanks for watching.